Hi kids, my name is Deb Kelsch. I'm a health coach at Finish Well Health Coaching. It's my job to make sure people know how to eat healthy and do the right exercises. So today I'm doing a cooking show and we are cooking through the rainbow. Now here are the rules. All the food has to be healthy. So you can go to the grocery store with your parents and help pick out all the foods you need to do this challenge. Today we're doing red. And the next week, we'll be doing orange. So stick around and watch me cook through the rainbow. So today I have a red bell pepper, Roma tomato, uncured turkey pepperoni, strawberries, raspberries, some pizza sauce with avocado oil, radishes, and some ground lamb. Now I'm going to explain why these foods are healthy and why I chose these foods. Strawberries and raspberries are full of antioxidants that help your body fight off illness. So red bell pepper is great for your eyes and your immune system. Pepperoni and lamb are proteins that help build stronger muscles and bones. Roma tomatoes are good for your heart and your skin. Roasted radishes help your digestion. Red bell pepper is good for your eyes and your immune system. These are foods that help fight inflammation. Inflammation is what happens when you stub your toe and it swells all up, or you break your ankle. That's what you call inflammation. It's your body's fire alarm system. It's your body's way of telling you, hey, something's wrong here. Your immune system is like your body's fire department. So when the alarm goes off, the firemen run in to put out the fire. Your digestive system is kind of like the kitchen crew that makes all the food that help the firemen get energy so they can put out the fire. And antioxidants, like the berries, that's the cleanup crew that helps the firemen clean up all the debris. Sometimes when there's a fire, the firemen throw the burnt furniture out the window, and this is the crew that would clean that up. Got my pan ready. The first thing I'm going to do is cook about half of this lamb. And I'm going to slice up my tomato. I'm going to cut the top off of my pepper. Now this is an organic pepper. As I've said before, if you plant these seeds in your garden, they will grow. I'm going to cut this in half just because it's easier to eat when it's cut in half. I'll be using this glass container. I have some mozzarella cheese here. I know that it's not red, but I'm going to hide it on the bottom. A little cheat. I'm going to use this for my side dishes. I'm going to put the tomatoes in here. I have a few extras here, so I'm going to cut one up, maybe two. I'm just going to put these on here. Now, in order to make these taste better, I'm going to put a little bit of goat cheese on here. I know it's not red, but the container is red. We'll just sprinkle a little bit on. I have some Italian herbs. I'm going to take a little bit of avocado oil and just drizzle a tiny bit on top of these just so they cook nicer. And now I'm going to cut some of these radishes. Drizzle a little more oil. I'm just going to take some butter just because it sounds like a good idea and put it on these radishes. This is ready to go in the oven. Now we're ready for our meat. I'm going to take my sauce. This was not part of the plan, but since I saw these in there, I'm going to use them. But before I do that, I'm going to put a little more seasoning. Now I'm going to take these and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to cut up my berries. I'm going to plate my berries. I'm going to sort of mix them up a little bit while I'm putting them on the plate. And now we're just waiting for the rest of the meal.
20 minutes later.
Okay, let's check this out. That looks delicious. Our side dishes. Now we're ready to plate it. And there we have it. I will be enjoying it with my red vitamin water. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time when we cook orange. Give me a like and a comment. Did I miss any foods? Give me some ideas. Help me out here. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, you can watch Super Kids Triathlon and Duathlon video on my YouTube channel.